What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? So I don't know which one is watching. But I guess we'll go upstairs. So this is what it's like. Sorry.
Hi, everyone. Mike Allison here. This is Tom Thurbo. We'll just wait around for.
I have to put this back in the start.
Hello, fellows. Sorry, late. I just had a shower.
So that's what I have to show you. So I think that's what it's
Well, are you getting over the flu? No.
So it doesn't go exactly straight.
I'm enjoying a more active lifestyle with my new hair.
This is.
I had no idea.
I was also thinking I should
Wearing a
make
hairpiece?
it
Of course not. I chose this style because it blends better with
like
my natural hair.
one player versus computer mode.
Oh, thank you.
And then
But I'm not ashamed of my hair
one
loss.
player
I just think I have to look
versus.
better and feel younger with.
This should be.
Oh, I also like
So
your
it should be
Escobar.
0 player, right, which is 2 AIs.
That's
Which
the
is
bar
right
field that he
there.
needs
This
to
one
right.
right there.
I need to get the techno beat money. I sent them a hair sample from the small of my back. Let me tell you, this thing is a
0 player, 2 AI,
Oh,
1 player versus AI,
tap
and then 1
implants.
player with themselves, and then one's making that. So you have,
Well,
you
I'm
can
off the
use
shower again and enjoy my new active lifestyle. Hey, check out the new
my XVA has up, down, left, right for the second player. Pretty cool.
It's like Kenny Smith. We'll be right back.
Especially which one's done.
What?
That's that.
Yes, mother.
But the thing I did last time
Oh,
was
mother, you have a parasite you're going to find.
animation.
Will you shut up?
And then the other thing I did the other day, when I was trying to screen
Yes?
recording was,
Yes, mother.
I don't know if anybody who's been watching this past this
Yes,
file. Like that section. This section was all.
Mother's a little sick. Good morning, sir.
This was all
We're
code.
introducing a new feature up here on the SOL.
Header wasn't in here, and it wasn't in here.
Super what?
Graphics.
What's the deal? For just $1 more, you can
So I
supersize
just
these servers, which means you can get the stove
I don't know if this is the best way to do it.
6 pack of Mellow and a large Mr. Whiskey burger for $2.99. Well, I don't. Hold on.
So this was like 1,000. Now it's not. So now everything's split up. So I have to make sure we're thinking about it.
You don't have to have the Mr. Whiskey special. If you didn't want
So I got this is the pre-game mode when it's waiting. This is the game press B.
Sure, I don't
This is when
want
it's
to
waiting. So you press B to launch the ball. The other player
Then
press
you
B.
want the
And
Pizza
then this is
Trizzarati. I don't want
controls the
the
ball.
Pizza Trizzarati.
Is that on the ball? Yes, I can use the ball around.
Well, there's no need to yell, sir. I'll go get the
This
man.
is the collisions. Oh, I think in pre-game.
I'm terribly sorry, sir. I think I can take care of everything for you. You want the meats and treats rotty, but you don't want the potato planks. Oh, straight.
And then this changes the score and just
I gotta get the register
cleaning
keys.
up the
Be right back.
ball back. And then this
Okay, well, let's be together, sir. Together with who?
and this is so much
Look,
easier.
stop it! This is an experiment. Nobody's gonna supersize anything. So you get into that theater. We're gonna
Pin
watch
code all
that
the
stuff.
places.
You got it?
And controls which is like
Somebody's gotta mock the bathroom. Come on, I'll give you a hamburger. Somebody's gotta get in there and mock the bathroom.
and then graphics. That's just all
So you can just declare something a classic, huh?
Hey, where's the umlaut?
Oh, right. So yeah.
Wilson? Her name is Wilson? This one was clearly printed ours I've ever seen.
Something
Carla, ooh.
spread of daisies.
Extra stuff to this. Bomb Christopher!
Why?
Batting 7 for the orchestra, Alejandro Rufo.
Oh, I have a feeling we're making a run for the border in this movie.
Robert Worth.
A heavy bond like this needs to double brace the age.
Hey, these two? Merchandise at Mexico.
Making him jam a lime wedge in his mouth?
Yes, it's Renaissance festivals of the old West.
I think they were making a mental health video on the shoot.
Collisions and stuff.
Ooh, that doesn't win you a lot of friends.
He invented guzzling.
Ah, yes, the New Brighton Lumberjack days.
Go, Blaze!
Better face. With your mate.
Now let's see how long these accents last.
Yeah, the giant Q-tip was full of these.
So, Michael McDonald is fighting the guy from Loverboy.
Lee Russell.
Is it too early to hate this guy?
The compression fracture.
Let's go to the beer tent.
You cheated anyway. You take my weapon away. You're gonna be a hero, my friend. Playing by the rules, huh?
I missed on the haircuts for about 1,200 years.
Finally.
Come on, sing Delta Lady. Woo.
Blonde body. This is going to be a terrible year for books.
Can I just get a lemonade?
A Power Rangers coin, everyone.
And the Raiders have elected to receive.
Sad touring wizard.
Next prophecy.
Mind the rest. Mind like a king.
Okay, will the people from Dr. Quinn, Medicine Woman, please clear the set?
Just checking.
That girl went.
Can I get my money, sir?
You follow me everywhere, my friend? Oh, I did have a drop. Oh, I did. So now.
Spread out. Beef cheeks.
Oh, he gets around. One village one day, one the next.
So, 2 villages.
Poor ones are. Couple knows where the rich ones are. Why? We just met once. We've been helping each other out ever since.
I don't care.
Listen, my friend. You want to learn how to fight? First, whoever Zell was worth fighting for, you have to be that.
Are you going to kill me again, sir?
Hey, check out your mom. Come here, kid.
Yeah, I know Merlin personally.
Oh, mama.
I'll have a few words for you.
Yeah, frog and plant.
I must attend to this lady first.
Oh, gray water.
Some wizards get all the luck. This way, please.
So your first time with the wizard?
I searched 3 years for you.
Thinking I was the end of your quest.
As we know it, and I feel fine.
You are not the first.
But I'm the only one who has this.
A doorknob from Grandma's house?
Elizabeth Taylor threw this at me.
And you have the other.
I can give you $10.
I wish I did.
I'll throw in a Frodo Lives bumper sticker.
Understand what will happen when the two stones are united.
Well, look out then, I'll tell you what.
Will you use its power for good?
I swear.
Look, old man, can I just get the setting change to the ring size?
On hope to follow shoulders.
Who's Batman?
You would
tell me if I look silly in this swim gear? I'm Michigan.
Sorry, y'all. Just make sure that goes back to where it should be. Sorry, y'all. Yes, that's good. Okay. So I'm watching Deathstalker and the Warriors from Hell. I want to watch that one with Ernest Borgnine in there. Where is Daily Mantis? I don't like the 50s ones too much. I like all them old, when it's like an 80s movie or a 90s movie, like Clone is Hard, that's good. Jack Frost, that's good. Oh yeah, I like those weird like Russian movies or Polish or whatever they are. Prince of Space. See, if it's a foreign movie and it's old, then it's okay. But it's Japanese. I've never seen Hard Part Beach, Invasion of the Neptune, man. Space Mutiny, that's the classic shit. Time Chasers, that's dope. Overdrawn at the Memory Bank, that's dope. I don't know if I've seen the Projector Man. Puma Man, that's good. Werewolf, that's good. I remember Hobgoblins being good. Haven't seen Gorgo, The Final Sacrifice, that's classic. Devilfish, haven't seen that. Scream the Skull, haven't seen it. Quest of the Delta Knights. Is that the one? God damn. Oh yeah, and then MST3K be uploading the official shit on here. Soul Taker, that's a classic. Joe Estevez, Robert Zadar. Merlin Shop of Mystical Waters, that's the one. That's the one with Ernest Borgnine or whatever. Future War, that shit is the bomb. Future War is amazing. Boggy Creek 2, that's good. Track of the Moon Beast, I don't remember that. Final Justice, that's dope. Squirm. So let's do some shit in here. So, what's the next things I want to do? Let me organize this by like priority. Different choice for paddle and bowl. I don't want to do that on here necessarily. Let's see. Background changing animation. Then do I have to change the background? I might have to change the background. I don't know. To figure out what I actually want to do with that. Ball changing animation. What the fuck? Oh. Paddle changing animation. Okay. Create Sublime project. That's what I want. Let's do that. So I think it's fine if the project's in there. Then I want to view. Where is it now? Is it view? Project, where's project? Layout. Sidebar, is it sidebar? So that's just open file. So isn't there a way you, view project? So if I close project, I say open project, what happens? The fuck is it? Oh, Sublime Workspace it's called. Our project. Whatever, that's good enough for now. Did I name the groups? No. I think this is fine. That sound stuff. This graphics. Graphics. This one I want to do soon. I might do this today. So let's put that on there. Graphics. It's in all. And ball. I'll explain to allow for palette manipulation. Palette manipulation when ball goes past their paddle. Whenever it makes contact. Sorry, I'm thinking too much. Paddle changing animation and ball and audio. PC files. So put IE pausing and playing. And then I want to do sound effects. Create sound effects. I should probably do that like next week or something, or next stream for this. Converting hex to decimal. I don't fucking know how to do that. Is there a register to do this? Is there a 6516? So this is graphics. Create score graphics. So that's just numbers. I'm gonna call this extras. So I think I'm trying to think how hard it would be to do some. So extras. I'm gonna have to look at like Windjammers, what Windjammers does. Let's actually do that right now. Let's see, not creative. Wall. Game development. Only 70 people in game development. Well, I mean, there's some cool shit going on here. Is that Flash? Or Unity? Oh, that's Unity. Trickery. Masters, yes. What's that? I don't know. Cool, man. A lot of Unity going down. We'll be doing some Unity stuff soon. Cool. So, oh snap! Akakumu 43. Akakumu 43. How you doing tonight, or this morning, or whatever time it is where you are? Hope you're doing well. I'm gonna do this. If you let me just check you're still there. Sometimes people look for a second. So I'm working on SNES Pong right here. Just run it what I have. And this is oop. Run. So I got this in here, this in here. And this stops here, and then the ball goes. And then it changes angles depending where you hit it. Let me try to do that. I want to make that more drastic. I need to figure out a way to do that. I want to make it more. I want to make it really tense when it hits the top or the bottom. Like, that should hit. I want to make it like really shallow. I need to think about how to do that. And then last thing I implemented was a pause feature. So actually no, I said all. So I'm pretty happy with that. So that's cool. To add some more stuff here. AI. And then change controls for one player versus self. Add mode for number of players. Okay. You still there, dude? You out? Oh, George Max 99. How you doing? I don't know what you saw, but I'm just gonna show you right quick. I'm working on SNES version of Pong. It's a no cache emulator. It's got some debugging stuff in there. You don't need to see that. I'm doing that. Sort of changes angle based on where you hit it. And then the last thing I did was the pause feature. Pause, 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 pause. I might add some text like pause. Pause. We'll see. I would like it to also go white when it does that instead of dark, but it's way easier to make the screen dimmer on Super Nintendo. So I was thinking about how to do this. Ball Y. I was thinking about how to do this, and I believe it is not that hard. What I need to do is go into ball mode, or ball move, game mode, move ball. So it checks the X direction, and it moves it. Oh, so it just checks the direction, moves it, and then it checks the, and then I don't know what this is. Oh, this is processing the X bit. I mean the X high bit. Gone. People just bouncing. What happened to the? I think that's the X bit. I should put something there so I don't get fucking confused. I need to fucking simplify this shit. Need to make a note about that. Main. Organization. Need to put that in there. Where's files? Then I need to. So that's that. Okay. Ball move ball. Move ball, right? Let's move ball left. So If the ball is moving, if the ball is moving, let me write this on here. If check if counter's at max, if not ink, if it counter is at max, if it is, move one. If it is, oh, Mateo Alvarez, 16. What's up? How you doing, Mateo Alvarez, 16? I'm working on, sorry, I don't know how long you've been watching, but I'm working on, so I'm trying to work at a new algorithm, or if you want to even call it that. What the fuck? Oh, I have the wrong file selected. I have that main. So I got, I'm working on this SNES Pong clone, kind of. It's kind of, I am working on it. How you doing on the internet tonight, Mateo Alvarez, 16? So we're gonna say SNES Pong clone. We got the different directions based on where you hit it. It's like I'm trying to affect that where it goes horizontal. So change the direction where you hit it, and then I got pause in here last time I was streaming for this thing. So what I'm trying to do is change it so when it's going horizontal, it's not completely horizontal. I think for right now, I'm going to set the counter max at the speed. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to do. Well, I don't know. That doesn't make sense because it's. And it's starting. You talking about the game? If you're saying the game, thank you. I'm gonna add some more. Oh snap! Sup, iFix? Thank you for saying hi. Yeah, I'm actually tired. I got back in a normal sleep schedule, so I don't know. I might have to shift these earlier, do them like after dinner or something, because this is like ridiculous. Thank you for saying hi, iFix. Okay, so I need to add a new variable, which is, where is that in startup? It's not start. That's all other shit. Pre-game, no. Where is it? Somewhere here. It's still compiling, I mean assembling, so it's not The virus, that's what I need. The virus there. Okay, so I'm going to add now to ball speed. So I'm going to say ball. I'm going to call it probably a laptop or a PC. Technically it's a PC. But, I mean a PC in the sense that I'm running Windows. But it is a laptop. It is a Lenovo. Sorry, I was updating my audio drivers. Lenovo Edge 15. It's pretty solid. I think it's great. I mean, it's the first time I've had a good computer in a long time. This is why I can even stream now. This is what for some reason I got it when I initially see like this. I don't know what the fuck a Flex 2 is. I don't know if it's the same thing. But I got the Edge 15, and then it broke. The screen just died, and then yeah, that's what it looks like. It's hard to tell. It's very thin. And I had a very similar computer. I've had bad luck with computers fucking this whole year since I moved here to Michigan. Yeah, it's pretty neat. It's got I was just like it was pretty much the same computer but without that, and it does this weird thing where it flips backwards. It's not a full it's called a 2-in-1. It's a touchscreen, which I don't really use at all. It's not the full tablet deal. But I had... Okay, this is what I had. It was the same thing. U530. It's pretty much the same computer, just silver, and it didn't have the flip thing. So I don't know what the fuck Lenovo is doing. I mean, it's nice. So it's cool. It has like, you can't really see, but it has the keys light up, so it's really good at night. It's actually really useful. It seems like very superficial when you first get it, but when you actually need to use it and you're typing at night, it's really useful. But then I got this U530, and then I kind of broke the screen by accident. I like snapped it backwards. Luckily I had Geek Squad coverage, and then I got the Edge 15. Then the fucking first Edge 15 I had, the screen just stopped working one day, and then it was still under warranty, thankfully, so I got the one I'm using now, which is just another Edge 15, which is pretty cool. I'm debating what I want to do, if I just sell this and then get a like a more better game. Yeah, you can't really tell in those pictures, but it's cool. You do programming, Mateo Alvarez 60, or you? I don't know. I'm really curious who's watching game dev, because sometimes it seems like it's people who are programmers, and then sometimes it's just like, because I'm not doing. This isn't really that exciting. There's people doing Unity stuff, and so I'm gonna say BYS. I'm gonna call it counter. Ball Y speed counter. Okay. I think that's all I need, because I'm going to use this, which doesn't really make sense, but no, I'll do the speed like -2. No. Yeah. I'll just do the speed for now, and then I'll figure out what algorithm is like the most fun. Oh, that's cool, dude. I probably should have done something like that. I would probably be actually making money right now. I'm in well, I was actually, my last job wasn't the worst thing in the world, but it's not that much money. I was doing animation. I was making like 30 grand a year, which was great for me, but not that good for the industry. You talking about paying for college costs a lot of money? It does. I'm going to grad school now. I got a full tuition scholarship for undergrad, but I had to take a loan out to go to grad school, and I'm trying not to think about paying that back yet. Okay. So there may be issues with how I'm doing this. I mean, it depends. I do, depends what you're doing, you know? I wasn't doing 3D stuff. I'm actually trying to learn some Unity stuff, which is a lot more it's like the first 3D stuff that I'm learning. But After Effects is pretty intuitive, and there's a lot of really good plugins for it. I'm trying to think I should add. It's actually really cool. I've been watching a lot of Unity stuff, and it seems like even if you don't become interested in game design, you could parlay your skills into 3D or something like that. Unity's dope. I just started checking that out. This is the thing. I don't know what I want to do. I could do it bad and then just write a macro later. I could do it incorrectly or not incorrectly, but not the recommended. Okay. You talking about an animation or a game or something? What your cousin had pulled up? What do you mean, one of his designs? Check ball wider. Sorry, I'm just gonna check, make sure no one else is lurking or anything. Dun 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 dun. Ring dun dun. I gotta make those dun 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 dun. Oh, my friend James will follow me. Oh, my phone died. Come on here. Oh, it's all good. I'm trying to think how to do this. Okay. Well, if it's not, I'm gonna have to repeat some code. That's the part I'm annoyed about. So it's going to check ball bottom. Check ball bottom. Once it's done here, it's going to check ball bottom. Right? Okay. should just put a label here. Check well, okay, yeah. Oh, I don't want to close that. Why had I closed that? But I don't know if it's your computer you're talking about is not good, but PCs are starting to get affordable. Like this, I mean, $800 is a lot of money. Like I don't have another $800 laying around, but $800 for something for like it's not top of the line, but it's like pretty. It's like one or two steps under like Alienware or something. You know what I mean? It's dope, and I think it looks cooler. It's like way simpler and more square than an Alienware, and it's not plastic. Because I had before this computer, I had so I just bought the cheapest computer I could find. It was like $200, $300, and they're fine for looking at the internet, but for doing cool shit, it's not the best. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to change the flow of control, but check Y speed. Right, so load A with BYS. Compare with. So it's not 0. Branch is not equal. Branch if not 0. I want to go to check ball bottom. Ball bottom. And then if it is, we're going to go here. So we want to initialize the counter. Store 0. To figure out how to go around that. No, I'm going to just start it at 0. Load A with the fuck BYSC. Compare with ball speed. I'll just do ball speed right now. Speed. Jesus, fucking autocomplete is too auto. Compare with BS. Yo, are you still there, dude? God. Thank you for watching Mateo Alvarez 16. BS. Compare with BS. Compare with BS. And then branch if not equal. If it's not equal. Man, this movie Deathstalker, Mystery Science Theater, is going dark. I don't know where I need that to go. So it's not equal. And plus. Whatever, I'll just do equal. is equal. I want to say by ball y. Oh, that's what I have to do. I have to do a compare. Okay. Ball speed. Ball y speed wasn't. Okay. Ball. Zero. If not equal to branch, if not equal to 0, to move. Ball slightly up. I can just say move ball slightly down, then move ball slightly up. A with by, clear carry, and with carry, 0, 1, store A and B, Y. Okay. Can I say the same plus will not work? Because it is the same plus. Oh no, it's not the same plus. It should be to check ball bottom. Load A, B, Y. Set carry. Subtract with carry 1. Store A and B, Y. And then branch to check bell bottom. So let's see if that goes. Nope. Oh, something's fucked up. Something's fucked up. Oh. That works. Okay. So, did I do the check here? Sorry. Move ball. I don't think I did the check here. Beautiful. so I need to store the 0 in there. Load a with. I'm just gonna do this to be safe. So it's called ball moving. I said be moving. So be moving. Branch if greater than 0. T. Range from 0 to check ball bottom. Otherwise, do that, and then in startup, I want to say store 0 and BYSC. And then go to main, and then do that shit. Check ball bottom. 76. Oh. 2 underscores. Okay. That's good. Ronald. Okay, let's make it a little bigger. Let's get this out of here. Ooh. Whoa. Something's fucked. So that thing's fucking see what's going on there. See, why is that happening still? That's disturbing. That's what it should be. That's fucked. What the fuck is that about? So sometimes it's working. Oh, I'm not resetting the fucking thing. I think that's what it is. I think that's what it is. So store 0 and BYSC. See if that works. Something's wrong in there. Something is wrong in there. Don't know what it is, but why is it like hella slow? Something is wrong in there. That looks good. That's what I want. That's what I want. Looks a little jittery, but maybe that's. Well, let's see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like in SNES. Code SNES, me reflection. Copy this. Rename. Main.smc. Yes, please. The fuck? Yeah, there you go. Let me see. Up, down, left, right. Starts like. Why it's not moving? Oh, yeah. Whatever. This thing's hella smooth on here. Oh, that's not working. The fuck? It's a little jittery. But, maybe that's okay. I don't know. I'll look at it tomorrow on my actual hardware. The thing I want to get out is how come sometimes it's still going fully horizontal. What are the situation? I think I'm not. Come on there. So that's right. That's right. And then what if I hit it again? That's right. So there's two things fucked up. That's correct. Sometimes it's turning horizontal. And see, that's wrong. That's wrong. See why is this happening? It's speeding up? Seems like it's not speeding up. Oh, no, maybe it's a little faster. Yeah, it's speeding up. That's fucked. What is that? So I think it's something to do with how I'm checking in that direction. There's a part of me that's like, oh, it's unpredictable, it's cool, but it should be predictable to me as a programmer. That's good. Yeah, I think if it's coming from down, I think I'm not checking it properly. We should go down here. That's what I did wrong. So the one thing I have to... My throat hurt. So why is the collision fucked up with the wall? That's the thing. So that's good. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. So the problem is that when it does that, it's not reflecting properly off the wall. Well, let's see. Maybe it's how I'm jumping in. Let's hope it's something dumb. My hope is that maybe I'm just not falling into that function correctly. Oy, oy. So, oh man. Let's see if this is correct. So it checks the ball speed, the ball Y speed. If the ball Y speed is greater than 0, then it goes to check the ball bottom, the collisions. That's fine. If the ball is moving, and it's 0, put a note because I'm going to forget. If 0, then go to and check collisions. Okay. If not, it falls into here. Compare with the speed. So if it's not equal, then increment the counter. Reset counter. Cookie dog. It's gonna move the ball. What's up, Ratchet 2497? Yeah, I'm not really sure what the best reason is to learn assembly is. Because you could, before Arduino, if you, I don't know if you used Arduino, but well, by the way, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. But there's not many reasons you would need to do assembly, just because I'm kind of, this is a hobby. But before Arduino, if you don't want to pay for Arduino, I'm sorry, I keep saying that. I can't think. I'm trying to. I think PICs are still a thing, but I don't know if PIC microcontrollers are still a thing. I think they're kind of still a big deal. But that was the thing before Arduino, and then the thing before it was PIC Basic Pro. I think there was other. It's like Basic Stamp. Ooh. Are you from the U.S., Ratchet 2497? I've never seen a ZX Spectrum in real life. Didactic Gamma. What is that? Didactic Gamma. Oh, snap. Oh, this is from back in the day. I thought this was like, Oh, are you Czech, dude? Or you just have this? Oh, cool, dude. Wow. Oh, that's cool because it's not rubber keys, right? It looks like real plastic keys. Wow, that looks dope, dude. You gotta respect that stripe, though. That stripe. Ooh. There's gotta be some, I mean, assembly is kind of fun. It's just more complicated to do stuff. Yeah, it's cool, man. So it's like the exact same thing, so you can run the same hardware. I mean, the same software. That's such a cool name. Please don't give me a fucking ad. Man, that looks so cool. This guy's a freak. What's this guy doing? R-Type. Oh, yeah, it's the same colors and stuff. That's awesome, dude. Is there music? Wow. Man, ZX. See, the thing is, I would recommend. That's awesome, dude. Computers are cool. I would recommend. I don't know what it's like getting this stuff in Slovakia. Microcontroller. What is specky tape? Oh. Oh, it plays the audio program, I'm assuming. That's awesome. I want to like know about every computer. I wish there's a part of me that wishes I was like older and that I was a kid when all this stuff came out, but at the same time, I probably wouldn't have learned it. I'd probably be working at like Blizzard or something. Like I probably would have actually made something of my life by now. Oh, they don't have it anymore? They don't have the SX28? I guess never mind. Wait, so are they done with SX28? What the fuck? It's over? Oh no, here. Oh no. Sorry, I'm just... I guess it's over. Sorry, I was looking for a chip. SX28. Is it over? You can't buy them anymore? Is that the real website? No. Sorry, I'm like shocked by this. Let me just see. So I was gonna. There's a good free PDF that this for this microcontroller, but I guess it's gone. End of life. To announce that it reaches end of life production. When no one weakened during this and that. The associated products cannot be restocked in the same announcement. Oh. I guess I misunderstood that. I'm trying to find some. Oh, this is over too. Wow. That's crazy. I'm sorry. Let me get back on the app. So in this book, Dark Art of Video Game Console Design, this book. Nope. Where'd it go? this book. He shows you how to make this XGS Pico. Shows you how to make this video game system. But there's a free PDF that Parallax has for learning assembly. It's pretty well written for it. So sorry, I just want to see if he's still selling the SCS Pico then. It's still available. He's probably got a fucking. Does he sell just the microcontroller? I might have to buy a few of these up just because I want to play with this stuff, but this comes with the chip, so he's still selling this. $60. Because it comes with a USB thing. Anyway, maybe you're not even here. Are you here? Okay, cool. So then I guess the answer is I don't really know the best way to learn a assembly language. There's got to be some good. Do you have? Is it Intel 8080 didactic or the Xilinx Z80 didactic? Because there's got to be good resources for that stuff. Do you program other stuff, or is it just that computer that you wanted to program for? So, well, I need to see what collisions are doing. Ball Y. Yeah, I mean, there's got to be good resources on Z80 assembly. This looks good. What's this? Yeah, so you're gonna have to do, you know what I mean, just yeah, I would. Can you just buy Z80s? I think I have one, but just for like fun, basically. Can you just buy an SX28 chip? I'm like so upset about this. I didn't realize. I thought they had more. I thought no one was buying them. Wow. Do they have some? Are they selling them? Sorry, this is boring. I'm just gonna sell robotics. Someone's gotta have it. Yeah, I think it's good. I don't think it's a bad idea to do that, you know. I think it's good to at least prototype in that, you know, so you know what you have to do on a basic level, and then you know, figure out what you want to do structurally, and then program it as you go. Because what I mean, like whatever you do, there's gonna be some weird hurdle that you have to go through. So they got them. Sorry, dude. I'm just. This is US dollars. I'm gonna bookmark that because. But I don't know. That's gonna be more problematic to do. Because it's really just, if you know C++, it's a lot. It's basically the same thing, or C, you know, whatever language, C, JavaScript, whatever the fuck. It's basically the same thing. It's just how you change, how you go through the steps is different. You know, like, so you don't say, we'll just say, for example, in C, you do something like if ball y equals 0, right? And go to, then, you know, check whatever I'm doing, you know, something like that. But in this, it's, you know, you have to load the variable and then check the. Yeah, yeah. I mean, there's a bunch of other shit. I mean, not really a bunch of other shit, but people who want to get really philosophical, there's like programming concepts that get introduced. It's like object orientation makes things easier, but also more annoying. I might want to check out the Unity. I was looking at Unity. Unity is dope. And it's C sharp, so it's C, and then you have C, you know, C sharp. But Unity is great. Like, look at this stuff. Showcase. Like Cuphead. Look at this. This game looks dope. Like, it looks like a Mickey Mouse cartoon or something. And they've got some kind of filter on here with like chromatic aberration. It looks really good. Oh, I don't know. It's cool that it's cool that it seems like you don't need to write even to write collision. It's got box colliders and shit in there. It's fucking dope. Alright, it seems like you need to modify. Sorry, this game looks dope too. Like, look at this. This looks great. I mean, I'm sure people object to. I'm sure. I don't know if what's her name? Sarkeesian. This looks really cool though. I mean, there's some annoying stuff like there's no. Can you just download Unreal Engine? Unity is free too. It's amazing what you can do with Unity and it's being free. Oh, it's free. Wow. That's crazy, dude. Oh, so this is some. Wow, dude. Yeah, that's awesome. It's like complete free. Because Unity is free, but then there's the Pro edition is like $1,500 at least. Wow, that's so crazy. I just want to see if it has Unreal Editor manual. This is like amazing. Sorry, I'm just like, what? I'm curious if it has some kind of drawing API. This is like too complicated. I'm gonna draw a rectangle. This is like 3D shit, so they're like super high tech. Unity, I mean, Unreal Engine, 2D. Paper 2D. Oh, Braid was in Unreal? No. No, I guess it's just a clone or something. Sorry, because I come from... I did a lot of... some Flash programming and... some Flash programming and some with processing. And there was, you know, action. I don't know why they don't have this, and I don't know if it's hard to do. So ActionScript has a drawing API, so you can do stuff like is your code here? Yeah, just show some code, dude. Yeah, like this. So you should like draw lines and stuff. Yeah, so you draw rectangles like that. I just don't know why you wouldn't be able to do that in this kind of a deal. Wow. There's no link here. That looks great. Sorry, just games look too real to me. It's just Unreal Engine 2D drawing API. Give me something. UCanvas. Oh, it has this. Oh, draw polygon. So does Unity not have that? Unity draw polygon 2D. Oh, you can do that. It's just amazing that you can do this stuff. In Unity, I did a tutorial. It took me like 10 minutes, and I did like this 3D ball with like the sound is stereo and has Doppler. It's fucking shit. It's so cool. Has reverb. You just click a button and you have reverb, and you're fucking. Can't even believe it, dude. Can't even believe it. That program on Super Nintendo. Why? I don't know. Crystal's Wrath. I feel like that's just what shaders you use and stuff. Crystal's Wrath. Sure, it looks great. Sorry, I'm checking my phone. Make sure I don't got emails. Sorry. That looked funny to me. What the fuck is that? Yeah, this looks great. I mean, I'm not a fan of Crash Bandicoot, but Alex, look at that. I'm just feeling really I think it's because I'm sleepy. I'm feeling so positive right now. Oh, it's a fan game. That's cool. Like, look at this. What is this? Smite. Do you play Smite, dude? Yeah, that shit gives me hope. I learned Hearthstone was made in Unity. Oh, maybe I'll look at Unreal Engine too. I don't know. Gotta snatch up some of those 628s. Actually, I have a few, so I shouldn't worry too much. Sorry, that ad just looked crazy. I mean, it's like a good thing and a bad thing. I think that Blizzard is so popular because all their game, every game looks the fucking same now. Not every game, but you know what I mean. Oh, that's the problem. That's the problem. That's the problem. Fuck. Yeah, that's the problem. Because the speed is 0. No, I haven't seen that. Is that recent? I've looked through other disassembly and it's like a lot of code. Like I've looked through the Super Mario World disassembly. What was something special about it? And I've looked through the regular NES Metroid disassembly, and it was a long time ago, but so it was more daunting when I looked through that. Sorry, I gotta change up this video. Put on. Future War. Is this all the code? Oh, he has all this is all commentary and stuff. Yeah, this is cool. Like, if you look on like Super Mario World Central, they got like the functions and subroutines mapped out. Oh, they went back. Why did they change it for a while? They got the RAM map. It's crazy. People do this shit. Channel down, you know. That's cool. People are freaks. It's awesome. Who's on game dev right now? Who on game dev? Do you watch game dev a lot, Ratchet? Oh, I'm in there. A lot of people use Unreal Engine. Oh, yeah, I tried to do some. It's weird because you gotta specify the paths and shit. Lore Magic is great too. This is one of those things that's like, man, someone made this? What is that? Sorry. What is that? Looks freaky, right? Is this like, oh, it's dark. No, that's not right. It's a promo for some fucking... Yes! Jesus Christ. How long has this been running? I might watch this soon. Not the 5-hour energy. I'm really interested in weird shit like this. Or maybe it's not weird. I don't know. Let's see what's going on here. Whoa. What the fuck is that? The illusion with lore. Is this like an alternate reality game or something? Talk to Alexa. Whoa. I'm gonna follow this. Should I follow it? The broken English is the thing that's freaking me out. If they follow, we might get them moving faster. Find out why the universe metrics are broken. Damn STM. This sounds like an alternate reality game to me. I'll look at this later. I want to fix this code. Thank you for showing me that though, dude. Ball hit top. So what I want to do is with less than the speed, then I wanted to hit the top. That makes sense to me. Because if I make it 2, then if it's, the speed is really high, then I'm just going to make this 2 for now. Alright. The thing is, if the speed is like 8, yeah, I'm going to have to add some stuff to this. I think you have to add a flag there. Gotta add a flag. Whoa. It's running jerky. So I gotta see if the yeah, this is pretty solid, or close to what I want it to be. I mean, it's jerky on the, because I'm streaming, but yes, this feels pretty fun right now. That looked wrong. Something's wrong with up with the collision on the bottom. Is there sorry, I'm thinking out loud. Is there one that's not Chinese? Because the ones I've seen are like Chinese pirate. Because the colors are actually not, there's not that many colors on the on Super Mario World. It's really the gameplay stuff, like the cape, and then I mean, there's some really Super Nintendo specific stuff like Bowser. I mean, there's like rotating like some of the bosses and stuff. What stream? Oh, Infinite Expansion. Oh, could be me too. As long as I'm still, my connection is not the best. As long as I'm still listed under game dev, then who else is watching? Sorry, dude. I might go soon anyway. Is the internet bad in Slovakia?
This may be our last.
Yeah, it should be okay. My internet is okay right now. Sometimes it craps out, but whoa, that looks wrong. Why does that happen? Sorry, dude. Sorry, dude. I wish I had better internets for you. Like, is that stuff based on the speed? That's the... I have to fix that. Yeah, no, this seems to be working. I have to just figure out how I'm gonna do that. Just add another fucking condition, right? So that works. The bottom works. Because it's checking, yeah, that's a problem. Because when it goes below 0, then it's, cool, man. Cool, man. I don't know what server I'm on. I haven't tried to, some people have recommended different servers to me. If I do that, whoa. So I'm trying to get it. When it goes more horizontal, I want to see if it will... Visible after hitting a pedal based on where it hit the pedal. It's based on where it hit. Sometimes it looks not like correct by physics standards. Yeah, so that works. So if it hits on the top, then it goes more vertical than horizontal. And if it hits on the, like, if it hits in this area or this area about, it will, the ball X speed and Y speed will be the same, but if it hits towards the middle, then it'll go slightly horizontal. I mean, you know, like mostly horizontal. Yeah, so that works. I'm just trying to think of how. Because the problem is this is 8 pixels. The ball is 8 pixels high, right? So if I make it, right now the speed is determining where it reflects on the top of the screen. So if it says, I'm just scared it's going to go through arbitrarily. Because if it gets a value less than 0, it's going to do that, this jump, because there's no negative numbers. The other thing I want to do is I want to make it more vertical, like I wanted to make it really almost vertical when it hits the top of the paddle. Yeah, that's the thing I want to get better at. I mean, I think most of the code is probably the collision stuff. I'm not even sure what they do when it's like, you know, an arbitrary amount of characters on screen like in Super Mario World. Come on, man. So I think I'm just gonna, I need to look at that on my Super Nintendo and see what it actually looks like. Because that looks okay. It's not very smooth because it's, well, it's not gonna be smooth. But I mean, the actual rendering of it looks pretty smooth. It's really just stuff like, I mean, I don't know how stuff like Super Mario World works. I would like to learn how to do something like that eventually. I mean, I think that's, you know, getting into the territory of why you get slowed down and stuff like that. But it's not like, you know, Box 2D or some shit. It's just like, it's not, you know, it's not a physics simulation. You just say if the position is less than this, then change the direction of the ball. You know? It's just that, for me anyway, I'm still getting used to the conditional checking is like way more finicky to do, you know? Because in, do I have it? Oh, I don't have it installed on this computer. But in C, I would do, or C or style, or like Java, I would do like if, I would make a function like ball is touching, you know, and then it would say, you know, perform collision, and then the ball, whatever, make that a function. But in, you know, yeah, but then you could do like ball is touching, and then say, or no, it has to be Boolean, I'm sorry. Yeah, so you say if ball is greater than whatever, you know what I mean, ball x is greater than 24, and then you do every other condition. So that could be a lot of conditions, right? Then you just say return true, or then else. You know, so I mean, the cool thing is that you can take all those conditional checks and leave them kind of somewhere else. Whereas in there's a lot of finicky checking and yeah, like ball head paddle in the middle. You have to check the top. You know, it's harder to. It's harder to keep everything up. I mean, it's probably better. It's probably. I mean, it's probably better than I'm thinking. It is if you make use of macros and stuff like that. Oh, fuck. So I'm gonna go soon. So what I'm gonna do is just add another test in here. Check. By counter. So if it's less than, I want to check. I'm using, sorry, I'll tell you in a second. I'll just call it 2, right? I'm using WLADX. Just website. Copy it in there, right? Why not? There's a link to a GitHub repo, which is more updated. I don't know, any of the binaries are in here? No. There's a forum.netstep.com. I think they have the binaries here. I don't know, if you're on a Mac, they have, it says Linux binaries, Windows binaries. No one's got the Mac binaries. But anyway, these are up-to-date binaries. I used to use, when I was in college, I was playing with the X816 assembler. I don't even know if that shit's on the internet. It's probably on romhacking.net. Yeah. But I know a lot of people like CC65. CC65 or whatever. And then there's base CSSO. I think that's one. I don't use these, but I think people like them. But that's just because there was some tutorials I was doing. I think there's some other tutorials on here, but like Blarg, whatever he has these. But I was doing these. Yeah. People say positive things about that one, but I don't. I mean, WLADX is still being developed, so I'm not like. It's for Super Nintendo, dude. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like. I don't need the most up-to-date shit. I'll run a virtual machine. You know what I mean? Just to work on the same compiler. But these tutorials are pretty good. I mean, he was in high school when he wrote these, so they're like very high school kiddie, not necessarily in a bad way. Like they get kind of less. What is ROM City Rampage? I'm not that well versed in SNES assemblers. This looks good. I feel like this kind of stuff is weird. Like trying to, it structures and stuff like trying to make an assembly language compiler. I mean, maybe I'm stupid, but I think that was what turned me off about CA65 or CC65 or whatever. There is, I haven't used this, but there's this. This seal. I've seen a few people use this, but I haven't messed with it yet. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. I kind of want to learn assembly language. There's some rationale. I mean, there's philosophical and technical rationale why it makes sense to me, but so branch check. Compare with, I'm just going to compare it with 2. It's only going to be moving by 1. So if it's, then I just want to load it with 1. Store in B, Y, there. And fall to there. Branch if less than good. I think that's wrong. If it's less than this speed, Lessen the speed. Then it should go to ball, hit top, right? Yeah, I have to jump here. This is where I gotta jump. Kit Fist of Reborn. How are you? Hi. Thank you for viewing the stream and interacting. This is assembly language for the Super Nintendo. Working on a, oops, wrong file. Working on a, currently in year 11. Where are you from? What does that mean? Where did they say year 11? Is that high school? They do Java, I don't, I'm in the US. Year 11 sounds not like US. Python, dope, dude. But, let me run it. So it's kind of getting where I want it to be. Australia. Australia. So you're learning Java in school or in so it's working, that's working alright. But I think the collisions are fucked up. It's gonna be harder to test too. Pygame. Yeah, Python seems cool. I like those languages that are more about making pretty code. Or not more about, but they making beautiful code was a priority of the. I think that's a deal with Python, right? I know that in Ruby. See that? Sometimes that looks wrong. I don't know what I'm testing with the top. But anyway, I'm trying to fix some collision stuff in here. When it hits the ceiling, it's fucking up. Not there, but when you hit it, like that, and it hits the ceiling, it just kind of goes through. So let me see if I can do it. Fuck. Oh, it censored out class. Are doing Python, but I already did some Python in year 9 and 10. Oracle's Java Guide. That's cool, dude. Do you get to do cool stuff? You get to do games and stuff? Because there's I learned this in college. Processing. I don't have it installed on my computer right now because I'm lazy. Oh, they have processing on Pi now. But processing is like, it's an, I don't know what you would call it. It's like an add-on for Java. So it looks like this. This is the environment. Yeah, I think people don't really go to Python for performance. So it's really simply just, you know, press play and stop, which is appealing. Try to find some code or something. But it's built on top of Java, so it's the code is Java, but there's a bunch of extra functions like background line. but it's pretty sweet. I'd recommend if you yeah, my one of my friends from school. Yeah, that's cool. One of my friends from school. Have the video in here. One of my friends from school teaches programming. I think he teaches more. I don't know what he does right now at this moment. But he had to teach in the United States. It's called advanced placement testing, and he had to do. Oh, that's dope, dude. The kids like text-based adventures now these days. What are the kids into? I only play Super Nintendo games, so I don't know. Like, but this stuff, all these dots and stuff, it's all processing. Because if you have a pretty good computer, because it's a virtual machine, so people who like see are like it's not good enough. That's cool, dude. I feel like a lot of cool things happen in Australia. I watch Aussie Man on YouTube, and he's like he's great. He's really funny. But all this stuff in the background. And then there's that dude, Elix or whatever. That's cool. Have you played Return to Zork or any of those games? Or not Return to Zork, Zork. Sorry, I'm just gonna check my email. I don't want to open my email on here. Oh, Ratchet, thank you for the follow. I need to put one of those things up as an update. That's cool. Yeah, that's dope, dude. Where was it? Collisions. Compare if it's less than ball hit top. Alright, that makes sense. It's greater than. I want to go to check ball top 2. Maxed out. This is within Minecraft or some shit? People are fucking freaks on Minecraft. People are freaks. I hope they're making money. Is there ads on this? This has got views. So it's not that ridiculous. So hit. Low hit top. There's another check. Low BY. But that's within Minecraft, right? I don't play Minecraft, but it says the computer craft in Minecraft. Oh, there's a fucking dungeon and shit. Yeah, I think either way is fine. I don't think performance is going to be that much of an issue. I think it's going to be more your preference and stuff. That's crazy. I've been starting to get into games again, and I don't know if I can. Minecraft is one of those things I don't want to get sucked into. I started playing Hearthstone. That shit is dope. What time is it in Australia? So I'm gonna do it for reals. Compare with, I'm gonna say 2. Right. Branch only carry clear or less than 2. Check one contact. No. I think this is good. Branch to check. Shit, dude. I gotta go to sleep soon. I didn't realize it was already 4:30. Do you just do Code Academy by yourself, or did it? Jeez, dude, I'm sleepy. Did they tell you to you do Code Academy stuff in school? 10:30 in Slovakia. I'm worldwide right now. I'm worldwide. So this looks good. If this works, I might get off the stream because I gotta go to sleep. Can't be a freak like this right now. Grad school starting up again soon, so I don't want to be. I want to accomplish some stuff before that happens. That's cool, man. I feel like it's so easy to have interests for kids now. I feel like it was so hard to find. I wasn't good at forums when I was in high school, so like finding out about stuff. Oh, that's cool. Did they teach you about like, what is it called, like SAS and stuff, or it's just plain front end code? I feel like web programming is too complicated now. Sorry, I need to get this to bounce off the middle and then into the top to make sure it works. Thumbs up with the this is feeling fun, I think. This is feeling relatively. I think I have to add some kind of like acceleration on the pads, on the paddles. Well, it's not really that, like, PHP is interesting, you know, like once you realize like, oh shit, this is how they do like login web pages and stuff. It's like, that's great, but then you're like, wow, why do I have to learn a new language just to do this? This is insane. I don't know, I think performances or crashes because of no compiling. It just doesn't do anything when something's not right. Isn't that even? Yeah, I think that's bad for learning. Oh, it's just sticking to the top now. Yeah, you just have to be more diligent about error checking, you know, which means for me that meant a lot of just pop-up windows whenever you have an error or wherever you think there's an error. But yeah, which gets really fucking annoying if you're doing something like animated and then there's like 20 pop-ups or like one pop-up every 2 seconds and you can't even close them. But developer tools have gotten, I remember, I haven't looked at Chrome developer tools in a while, but yeah. Yeah, I think it's also like, my problem has been that I get a certain level of proficiency and I don't keep going, you know? Some of that is kind of like, oh, fuck. Why are you sticking like that? Is that my... It should be going down. Yeah, because... Is Visual Basic really that bad? There was a class in my high school where they taught Visual Basic. Whoa. Sorry, this movie Future War. It's really bad. Yeah, this movie's amazing. It's so. Well, let's see if it's a collision thing. I just want this to work, dude. Oh, so it's just stopped going. Yeah, that's the thing, dude. What's FNAF? Yo, for reals, dude. Oh. For reals, I used to love ActionScript. Oh man, I had some fucking... I lost some of it in a hard drive crash, but I had some dope code libraries in ActionScript. I made I did this program for a band I was in. Like these were all in ActionScript. These images. And they like print quality, dude. Man, and I had all these like this UI stuff I was doing, but I don't have it anymore. I lost it in a crash. I was starting to get good at ActionScript. That was one of the problems I was talking about, things being in vogue. ActionScript just wasn't cool anymore, so... And I lost everything in a hard drive crash, so... Not everything, but a lot of stuff. Sorry, my table's So the problem is it's getting stuck at the top. Because it's saying 0, then it's trying to go up, and then it's going back to 0. So that's a problem. That's a problem. I'm gonna just add another one. Fuck it, dude. This is bad. I know. Please don't hate me. This needs to branch, or this doesn't need to branch. So load a, let's say 2. That's gonna be, maybe it'll be janky looking, but I don't think it's gonna be janky on the initial viewing. Be widers. Alright, if this works, I'm gonna get off the stream. Sorry, guys. Paradise PX. Oh. How about you do if y is less than 0, then y plus equals 1. That's the thing. If you say less than 0, because there's not negative numbers, it's going to go, well, if it's an 8-bit variable, it's going to go back to 255. So that's why it jumps. It jumps from the bottom to the top, from the top to the bottom. So Paradise PX, what's up? I'm just going to show you this right quick. I think I compiled. Did it go? I mean, assembled. So the thing is, I gotta say, what I was doing originally was saying that if it's less than the speed, so if the speed is 2, if it's less than 2, then it'll go back the other direction. So what I have to do, I think, is if I position the ball at 2 when it hits, then it'll be out of the range to get stuck. But that might look weird. So this is Super Nintendo code, Paradise PX, if you're interested. I could do y equals 0, I think. Let's see. Yeah, that looks... Yeah, I might have to do y equals 0. I don't know what I'm doing. Because it's only going to move 1. I mean, it's only going to move when it's moving, what do you call it? Almost horizontal like that. It's only going to move 1 pixel like every other frame or something. So I think if I do that, check compare with 0. And then if it's equal, that's the thing I was doing. Branch on carry clear is less than branch on equal. I think that's going to be okay too, because it might be okay. I think if it gets really fast, it might become a problem, because it might go less than 0. Paradise piece. Kit Fist of Reborn just bounced. That's going. That's going. It's hard. Oh, fuck. It's close. Like, that works, you see. Because I'm doing it based on the value. So So my cat's meowing. I might have to see what's up with him. Wants food? Fuck. Get up there, come on. Sister Christian, know your time has come. Come on. Sorry, I'm tired too. My reflexes are not. Shit. Sister Christian, know your time. That looks almost good. That might have to suffice for now. Fuck. I just want to see it one more time. Fuck. Oh. God damn it. No. I have not seen that anti-piracy protection on Spyro the Dragon 3. Where I seen it. That was some office shit right there. Hit the corner. Ooh. Ooh. That looks okay. I think that's okay. What if I say it's 224 high, right? So no, that's gonna go through. I'm not gonna do that. Is it gonna go through? I'm trying to think of that one. We'll go through. Is it? What if I say E0? What will happen? No, trying to carry set. Yo, send me that article. What was that? Send me that spiral article. I mean, that spiral. Since the Christian time has come. This feels pretty good. I think I just have to add some kind of. If you hold down, the pedal starts to accelerate. I think that'll be good. Okay. Fuck. Fuck. Since the Christian time has come. I just want to see what that looks like. There you go. Stuff flowing. Alright. What's your price? 5 light. Fuck, dude. Yeah, that's not working. Okay. What if I just leave it at? Will it still get stuck? Fuck. Come on. Do it. Do it. Oh, fuck. That's a bummer, dude, when that happens. It's looking almost good. Come on. Fuck. Sorry, y'all. I just want to get this to work. I think this works. I just want to make sure it does. Come on. Here you go. Jeez. What time here? Embero. Hi, how are you doing? How are you doing? We're working on an SNES Pong clone. Trying to figure out some collision stuff. Okay. Oh, God. It's like you can know when it's wrong. There we go. Oh. Okay. Good. Bad. I'm trying to do something where it has to hit the top when it's hitting. It's doing that thing where it's going. What are you doing? Fuck, dude. Fuck, it's 5. I should go to sleep. Just want to get it. Just want to get it. Okay, okay. There you go. Oh, piece of shit. I was almost it. I was almost it. I think it's gonna be. Just gotta get it. Just want this shit to work. Just want it to work. There you go. Oof. That looks good. That looks good, dude. Yeah, because if it's equal, the comparison won't fuck up. I worry that will be a problem if it's really fast, but it should be okay if it's going like that. Okay, y'all. That's in there. Thank you so much for watching Paradise PX and Ratchet. Oh, sorry, Ratchet 2497. I'm gonna get off my stream. I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much. How do you host somebody? Do I have to be famous to host somebody? Ooh. Hello. I'm sorry, dude. Thank you for watching Paris PX. I'm about to get off. I don't know how you I'm gonna host Infinite. How do you host this? Thanks, man. I saw you subscribed too. Thank you. I mean, followed. Thank you so much for following. Appreciate it, dude. Oh. Oh. So if I type host finite expansion. Oh, cool. So then, if I go here, what happens? Is there a delay on that? So then, if I go here, what happens? Yes, I have to be offline, right? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate this.